can hear me, you can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So guys, yes, before starting on today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our yesterday's session. So from yesterday onwards, we started discussing about result set. We already know what is actually result set. Basically, result set, that is an interface which will be having the data which obtained by executing a method. What is that method name? Execute query. So we already know what is actually that result set, but there are different types of result sets are there. To be precise, two types of result sets are there. First one is scrollable, second one is non-scrollable result set. By default, every result set will be non-scrollable. So if we want to make our result set as a scrollable result set, yes, of course, we can make that happen. And whenever we are doing that, we need to use type and modes. Three types are there, two modes are there. When you're speaking about types, okay, type forward only, which is exactly same to non-scrollable result set. Type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. When you're speaking about modes, two modes are there. What are those? Conquer read only and conquer updatable. So we already know that. And then yesterday we wrote a lot of notes actually regarding some methods also we already covered. So today, first things first, I will write a program on statement. I'm going to write a program on statement for, scroll insensitive read only, scroll insensitive read only, and then scroll insensitive updatable. Two methods I am going to write for statement. You need to help me with that. And after that, you need to write the same program in your Eclipse. And then your task is working with scrollable result set on prepared statement. Working with scrollable result set on prepared statement. I'm going to work scrollable result set on statement. You need to do for prepared statement. Of course, after writing the code. That is our today's task. Is that okay? So yeah, let's go. What are we waiting for? Okay, so just a second. Okay, fine. Now, first things first, let me, okay, yesterday you did not wrote down this program, na? Okay, once you started writing it, I'll show you. Again, you can write it. Is that okay? All right. Now, you know what? In the same program only, I'll be trying to write our scrollable result set. May I? Okay, then I'll do one thing. First things first, obviously we need to get all our statements. Okay, I can copy paste you at least up to completion of JDBC. Please try to write them. Once we started with our servlets, you can copy paste. I don't mind. Okay. All right. So let me just try to take all my private variables. Okay. And why we are getting an error? Oh, come on. All right, all my private variables. After that, we need to use a method. What is that method? Connection method is there, na? Okay, let us just try to use our connect method. Okay, and here I'm going to use the same method, connect method. I already had my connect method. All right, now, okay, void. Let us just try to go like method 2. Just let me try to write simply method 2. Or else, okay, no problem. System.out.println implementing. Just a sec. Let me try to scroll a little bit down like this. I am going to create an object. Obj belongs to JWC app6. Please close your laptops, everyone. Close. Black shirt. Close. Done? All right. Please help me with my code right now. Okay, now in this method too, I want to implement implementng, implementing scrollable. Okay, scrollable RESULT result set. Implementing scrollable result set, that too read only. I'm going to deal with read only result set. Okay, let's go. All right, first things first, let me just try to type my try CATCH catch, and here EXEPT1 exception E dot print stat trace method. Okay, now connection. Okay, sure. I'm going to call my connect method. Return type is con, obviously connection interface. All right. May I please help me with my code? I need to use a statement. Please tell me. Please tell me. Con dot create a statement equal to stmt belongs to statement. Okay, belongs to statement. Now actually the thing is, as I said, I want to deal with scrollable result set. Scrollable result set. So if I want to deal with scrollable result set, you know that we need to use a type and mode. Yes, here only. Please respond. Can you please tell me the code? Type. Tell me type, scroll, sensitive or insensitive. Type, scroll, insensitive. After that, conquer, read only. Remember, you are saying the variable names. You are saying the variable names. But those variables are present inside. Where those variables are present? Result set. And that is an interface. And by the way, inside an interface, every variable is by default public, static, final. So obviously what we need to do, we need to use result set dot type scroll insensitive, comma, result set dot conquer read only. Am I clear with this? We can write like this. We can write like this, or simply we can give the numbers also. Please tell me what is the number for, please tell what is the number for insensitive? 1005. What about read only? 1008. 8 or 7? Absolutely perfect. Either this or this, both are absolutely valid. I'll do one thing. Let me just try to keep this in comment and I'll make it like this. So that easily you will be able to remember. Is it clear? Okay. So now, okay, I'm having my statement and yes, I want to use execute query. It's not like I want to, it's more like I need to use execute query. Why? Because return type for execute query is result set. If you are using execute update, what would be the return type? So it does not make any sense, right? So let us try to use execute query. By the way, please tell me execute query parameterized or non-parameterized? I'm sorry? Are you sure about it? And that is absolutely perfect. Okay, let's go stmt dot execute query. And I want to get the data from employee table. Select star from employee employee. That's it, not more than that. And you know that its return type is rs belongs to result set. Okay, result set, fine. Now after that, first normally let us try to retrieve the data. Shall I? Let's normally retrieve the data. Okay. So while we know this, while rs dot next method and system dot out dot println, how many columns are there? First one, yeah, name. First one, employee ID, EID. After that, first name, last name, salary, address. Total we are having 5. In those 5, first 3 are varchar. Second one is number. Third one is all, fifth one is also varchar. Okay, tell me, rs dot get string 1 or 0. Index position starts with I. Index positions starts with But right now I'm not using index portion. I'm using the column. Please remember that. Okay. Here we need to go with 1. After that, plus a small space rs dot get string get string 2, just a small space, plus rs dot get string 3 plus a small space, plus rs dot get absolutely 4, and just one more, plus rs dot get string. Okay, get st or in get string. Here I'm going to give 5, as simple as this. Okay, let me just try to check up to now, is it working properly or not. After that, we'll deal with the remaining concepts. Obj, help me. Obj dot method 2. Method 2. Let's go. Let's try to execute. Right click, run as Java application. Let's find out implementing database connected. And yeah, we are able to get our data. All right. Spot, please speak. Okay, now. Now let us try to use the methods which were present inside our scrollable result set. What is the first method which you have written yesterday? Please check and do let me know. After, first method is after last. Okay, we'll do one thing. For example, just for example, what if I write one more time, one more time, one more time, I'm going to retrieve the same data. Just one line, that's it. Let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. Please read the exception, SQL exception. And the reason is exhausted result set. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Buddy, listen. Whenever we are using next method, normally, whenever we are using next method, where is our cursor first? Above the first row. Means it will be coming to the first row. You need to speak, guys. So first row data is there, second row, third row, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. After that, where is your cursor? After the last element. Come on, guys. Right now, our cursor is after the last. So whenever you are using after last method, obviously you will be getting exactly the same exception. Means, for example, let me just try to keep this in comment. I'm keeping this in comment and I'm using rs dot after last. After the last element. Now I'm trying to retrieve this. Let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. You need to speak, guys. I hope you're understanding the point here. Okay. For example, okay, let us just try to keep, I'm going to remove this and all right. So we know that it will be generating an exception. Okay. Now in these methods, there is this something known as previous. Let's try to see what this previous method will do. Shall we? Okay. Now after last, instead of writing this, I'm going to write while, as a matter of fact, exactly the same, while rs dot previous. Let's see what happens. And just a small differentiation line, Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. I guess you already expected what would be the output. What is happening here? We are trying, see, whenever we are using first one, while rs dot next, after the completion of this loop, obviously our cursor is present after the last. So same again, I am writing one more time after the last, and then I'm using which method? Previous method. How next method will work? Exactly, it's reverse. Just like a mirror image. Previous method. what previous method will do? It will just come to the previous row. If the data is there, if a row is there, it is going to return. Hey, tell me, if a row is present, previous method is going to return. True. What is the return type, guys? Boolean. See, you are listening. I'm okay with that. But I don't want you to listen. I want you to please analyze, involve. No, think about it. No, seriously think about it. Here, next method. What is the return type for next method? Boolean. How it will work? It will come, the cursor will be coming to the next row. If the data is available, it is going to return true. Coming to previous method, what previous method will do? Cursor will move to the previous row. If the data is available, it is going to return true. So if we are using previous method, first, okay, from here it will be coming to here, the data got retried. After that 105, 104, 103, 102, 108, 101. Right now, where is our cursor? Above the first element. I hope you are understanding me, right? See, when you're speaking about advanced Java, you need to imagine a lot. You need to imagine a lot. Otherwise, you'll be having a trouble. I hope it's clear. Online students, if possible, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat for me. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Up to now, up to now. Okay, that's actually amazing. All right. So we discussed about after last. We already know before first. By default, where our cursor will be? Before the by default it will be there. Okay. Last. What happens if you are using last? Let's see. For example, rs dot just rs dot last, and I'm just trying to print the data, just printing the data. That's it. Now let's see what actually happens. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. I hope you are understanding me. Okay. And after that, first, of course, we can do that. Let's try to check the data here. Let me just, okay. Now here I'm going to write FIRST first, and you know it, I know it. What will be our output right now? Right click, run as Java application. Of course, we are getting our first row. All right, this is cool. This is cool. Okay, now we already discussed about after lat, before first, last, first, previous, next. Now let's speak about absolute. Okay, please tell me how this absolute method will work. You already wrote that in your notes yesterday. What happens? Tell me. I mean, sir, by using absolute method, I'll be able to get the data from a specific row. Okay, then we'll do one thing. Right now, where is our cursor? Now, I want to retrieve John Wick data. Right now, I want to retrieve John Wick data. Tell me the code. Wait, buddy. Tell me the code. No, raise your hand. Yeah. Tell me the code. Don't say that you did not heard. Can you hear my voice? Then please don't act. Trust me. Come on, tell me the code. What you are doing? Huh? Please concentrate. Guys, my eye contact will be with each and everyone. You already know this. By this time, you already know this. Yes or no? If you are present in my class, you should write the code. You should know the code. There are literally no other alternatives. Please concentrate. Next time I'm going to ask. Please concentrate. Okay. Please. Which data I want to retrieve? Tell me the code. rs dot absolute 3 or 2. Okay, hang on. Open your notes now. Please check and then let me know. Open. It's okay. Open, no problem. Open your notes. Please check and then let me know. Open. Tell me. 2. What I need to write? 2, 3, 4. Tell me, Ra. Let's go. 3. Okay. After that, same. I'm just trying to write the same code. Let's try to find out. Am I able to retrieve Mr. John Wick? Of course, I'm able to do that. That is good. That is good. Just let me try to, yes. One more time, right click, run as Java application. Okay. I'm able to try John Wick data. Right now, my cursor is here. Okay. Okay. I want to retrieve Om Pandey's record. Tell me what I need to do. Arrest not? Absolute? I'm sorry? 6, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you sure it is 6? Yes or no? Let's go. Right click, run as Java application. That's actually very good. Now, without using absolute, I want to use relative. By using relative method, I want to retrieve Wilson record. I want to retrieve Wilson record. If you are having any doubt, feel free to check your notes. You already wrote it. Relative method. Relative. Tell me. -2. Okay, let us just try to write exactly the same. Now here I'm going to write relative simply -2. Let's find out. Right click, run as Java application. Now you understand why I asked you to write the notes yesterday. Easily you are able to understand the concepts, right? Is that up to it's clear, guys? Okay, now I have a question from one of our students, that is, sir, what if there is huge data in the database? I don't know row number where the data is stored, then how to retrieve the data? In that particular case, did you understand the question? What if there is huge data and I don't know the row number? If you don't know the row number, you should know the primary key. And what we will do, we will search. And according to that, we'll try to retrieve the data. Got it? All right. Now, let us just, okay, this is our read only. Whenever I'm using read only, I will not be able to update. Let's try to update the record. Okay. Okay. I'm just trying to go for one more method. Void method 3, I guess. Okay. Void method 3. Let me just a second. Void method 3. Same implementing here, implementing scrollable result set, but this is updatable, TABLE updatable. All right, let's go. Try CATCH catch EXEB and exception E dot print stack trace method. After that, come on, connect and equal to con belongs to connection interface, connection interface. After that, con dot create statement, con dot create statement. After that, result set dot type insensitive and result set conquer updatable. Okay, now I wrote my create statement equal to stmt belongs to statement. Very simple. Okay, okay, okay. Now after that, stmt dot execute query. You know what? I don't want to retrieve all the data. I just want to retrieve employee ID, first name, salary. Okay, just a second. Let me just try to, okay, and now con SISTM system manager. Okay, set line size, set line size 200. SELECT select star from employee. Now I just want to retrieve employee ID, first name and employee salary. Please tell me the query. Select EID, word by word I said EID, comma, EF name, comma, ESAL from, let's try to find out. Okay. Now, I want to update the salary of John. I want to update the salary of John. And I know that John's ID is 102. 102. Let's go. Did you understand? I want to update it. Okay, 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 okay. All right. Now, what is the query we need to write here? Let me just try to, okay. So basically this is a query. Select EID, EF name, ESAL from employee. Oh, sorry, from employee. Okay, this is the query. Its return type is result set. Okay, result set. Now, while rs dot next, okay, rs dot next string emp id equal to rs dot get string one. Got it? After that, what I need to write, imagine the code. Take a minute time. What is the ID of John Wick? 102. And remember, EID is varchar 2. I mean, that is, yeah, that is string. After that, what I need to do, just think. No, take a minute time. Think. Just think. Online students, please think. Please think. After that, what I need to write, you need to think. Got it? Got it? Tell me. Tell me. I'm impressed. If, okay, if EMP ID double equal to, dot equal to, double equal to. I'm actually impressed. Dot equals 102, 102. Okay, then rs dot update int, which column I want to update. Is a column name na? ESAL. That is the column I want to update. And how much I want to update. What is the salary for John? 75,000. Let us just try to make it as 80,000. You know, I'm just trying to go like this, 80,000. And after updating, I need to update the entire row also. Update row. That entire row. I'm modifying the value and I'm just confirming it. You need to speak, guys. Done. That's it now. System.out.println, just a small uh, updating. Just a second. Updating the salary of employee plus EMP, EMP ID. That's it. Update row. That's it. Done. Completed. Now, okay, we'll do one thing. Updating the salary. Okay. Now, system.out.println, system.out.println, data updated, or else RECORD record, RECORD record updated. Now here I can ask the user if you want to view the record. No, it's, come on. How much we want to write the code, we can write it, no problem. But simply what I want to do, I just want to display only that record. I want to display only that record. So let me just try to take connection method is already there. I did not close it. Let me try to take one more statement. Give me a minute. Here, okay, STMT2 result set 2. I don't want to go for, okay, let me just try to keep it like this. Read only. I'm just only keeping read only. You need to speak. Read only and select star from employee. Now tell me, I want to retrieve only John record. What I need to write? I'm sorry. Don't worry about the query. I mean, by using query, we can retrieve, but I want to use, absolute or relative. According to your opinion, tell me. Let's go with absolute. Tell me what I need to write. RS absolute. This is John record. Okay, let's find out. Tell me. RS2 dot absolute 3. Are you sure? Okay, let me just try to write system.out.println rs2 dot get string. Come on, get string 2 plus, just a second, plus rs2 dot get int 4. This is stmt2 now. Let's find out, shall we? I hope you understand me, right? Let's check. Okay, I'm right now, this is actually method 3, obj dot method 3. Right click, run as Java application. Of course, it got updated. Am I clear with this? I just retrieved only the name and salary. I don't retrieve the entire, data like this. Just retrieved the name and salary. See, that's what I'm trying to say. If you understand the concept, the only limit is your imagination. For example, same concept. Here, I'm actually checking the employee ID. What if employee salary is, less than 50,000? Check all employee salaries. If employee salary is less than 50,000, increase that particular employee salary by 10%. Are you understanding me? In that particular scenario, what we need to do, instead of dot equals, we need to check whether it is less than 50,000 or not. And according to that, we can write the logic. Understand the concept. Coding is fun. Your turn. Go ahead. Complete this first. complete this program, and then I want you to deal with prepared statement. Come on. Ria, is that clear for you? Yeah, good. Come on. I request you to first kindly please have this method one in your Eclipse. Then you can continue, no problem. Please. From tomorrow onwards, girls, from tomorrow onwards, first row should not be empty. If the first row is empty, last row girls should come and sit here. From tomorrow onwards, please check with that. Make sure to occupy the first row, then only you can go back. After completing this, you need to deal with prepared statement. From from next program onwards, if you are confident the driver name and URL, you can write it without saying, you can copy paste from next program onwards. That too, if you are confident. If you are not, please try to write it by your own. No pressure from next program onwards. And please make sure to use or take the help of Eclipse suggestions. Eclipse suggestions. Eclipse will be giving you some suggestions. Na? For example, if you write RE and hold control hit space, hold control hit space, he will be giving you the suggestions. Please try to take the use of that. If you are trying to write the code, entire code, it will take a lot of time. Re- Remember, type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive, conquer read only, conquer updatable, static variables. If anyone is having any trouble, please come and show me. Come to me with your laptop. I'll try to sort it out. What is happening? What happened? Right, right, right. Where is your laptop? Then why you came? Make sure, okay? Please make sure write the code. You will not do anything right now. You will just sit like that only. That's the problem. Please don't take this in a bad manner, okay? If you're having laptop, that's you will practice. Make sure to practice, right? Adil, sir, what's that number? 1003, 1004. Those are the static variable values. Just values. You know, when you're speaking about priorities for threads, you'll be having 1, 5, 10, like that. These are the values, final values. Instead of writing that entire lengthy result set dot type scroll instance, just simply you can write that number. That's it. Right, Adil? Yeah. Instead of writing this entire thing, just this is easy now. Prakash, which line number? Okay. Done? Feel free to ask me if you're having any doubts. If completed with the statement, I want you to create the same thing by using prepared statement. No need of using all those methods like absolute, relative, all those methods. Just check whether you are able to work with scrollable result set if you are dealing with prepared statement. That's it. Just check it. Just one or two methods are enough. What happened? Doubt? Hmm. What happened? क्या बोला? इंग्लिश में बोल. Whenever you are importing a statement, statement interface. Listen, whenever you are importing statement interface is present in which package? Java.sql package. There is one more interface which is present in Java.bean. Don't import that. If you are importing that, methods will not work. Make sure to import java.sql.statement. Please. Got it? In 5 minutes, I'm going to show you method 3. In 5 minutes, I'll show method 3. If you are having any doubts, please come to me with your laptop. Any errors, any problems. Last, is it done? Last person, exactly, completely last. Raise your hand beside. Yeah, is it done? Please write it. Write the code. First, write the code. Checking. What happened? Error. What is compile time error? Come here. Always start a Java class name with a capital letter. Don't start with a small letter. Not at all a good programming practice. Okay. I hope method 2 is complete for everyone. Is it done? Now method 3, please. After this method 3, you need to write it for prepared statement. Come on, go ahead. One more time, I am requesting, please don't copy paste the code. Understand the code and try to write the code by your own. Understand the code. Right now here I am updating 102 EMP ID. You try to change it. As a matter of fact, we can ask the user also. You know that, right? We can ask the user to enter EMP ID and salary also. Basing on that, we can write it here. But that is for next scenario. The only limit is your imagination, right? Right? First, you complete the code. You are wasting the time. Doubt? Please come. Yeah, what happened? Result set is positioned before the first row. Hmm. Conquer read only. Up to here it is correctly, na? Up to here it is correct, getting correctly. You are able to get the last element if we are using rs dot last. Now, whenever we are using after last here, okay? Is right. Okay. Then sometimes, whenever you're writing the code properly also, Eclipse will not be able to get the jar files from JDBC. Sometimes it will happen. In that particular scenario, if you are 100% sure that your code is okay, restart the Eclipse, it will work. Yeah, it's already there after last. If we are not using this, then after last method will make the cursor after the last element. Okay. What's the problem? Invalid result set. Result position before the first row. Okay. First things first, where you are having this problem? You are getting a problem at this line. Absolute. Select start from employee 2. Okay. Let's check. Okay. Okay. Check that. Please cross check that correctly. All right. So how many of you done? Please raise. Oh, that's a good number. And you are working with prepared statement? Respond. That is good. That is good. Kindly please try to complete with that. And tomorrow we will be dealing with Rosette. Rosette. Sir, what is Rosette? Enhanced version for result set. We'll deal with that tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we may deal with Rosette. All right? Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. And by the way, guys, some very soon I'll call some people randomly and I will check whether you done your applications in your JDBs, I mean, in your Eclipse or not. I hope you're understanding me, right? So every day, once the session got completed, please make sure that you have completed these tasks in your Eclipse. Trust me, you will thank me later. Make sure to do the task. Okay. And tomorrow, Rosette, maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. Tomorrow is Friday. Friday. And Saturday also we'll be discussing about Rosette, I guess. Saturday. What I said. Oh, Saturday interaction. Shall we have this Saturday or next Saturday? Next Saturday. After completion of JDBC, we'll have it. Why in between break? Is that okay? Let us first try to complete the JDBC. Most probably by next week it will be completed. And then we'll be having our interaction. All right? Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's session. Harshavardhan, Google Classroom code will be shared to you by your admins, not by me. Kindly please contact your admin. Okay? They'll help you. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow.